Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, hi, my name is Andrea and welcome. So today I'm going to do an updated hair tutorial on these victory rolls. And the reason why I decided to do this video is because I put a picture on my Instagram with my dog Max, and I had a lot of questions on how I get victory rolls done with Betty Bangs. So I feel like you can do victory rolls with or without Betty Bangs. If you're interested to learn how to do it without Betty Bangs, I can make a video on that too, but they look cute either way. I feel like the more you practice, the better you get at them, because honestly, if you look at my last video, they don't look the very best, and I feel like this time they came out better. I hope you can agree on that. And yeah, if you're interested to see how I get this hair done, please keep watching. So this time I'm going to use extensions to have my hair longer. So I'm going to use VP Fashion extensions. They're the same ones I did for my half updo hair tutorial. So I'm going to put these on, and I'm going to curl my hair with the curling iron that I got at Target. So I'm going to fast forward through that because it's really simple and I'm sure you guys have seen it many times. So yeah. Now for the rest of the hair, it's going to be used for the victory rolls. So next you want to part your hair down the middle. Like that. So I'm going to grab a section like this. And it's okay if you leave some straight hairs, we can curl them after. So I'm gonna separate this section. So since my hair is a little frizzy, I'm gonna use the Suavecita Argan Silking Serum. Okay. So I got my curling iron and I curl it going up away from my face. So it gives a little light curl like that. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my hair by sections and I'm going to start teasing. And then I grab another section. I do like 3 sections because my hair is so thin. To use this one and the last section. Like that. Next, I'm going to use a Suavecito Firm Clay Pomade. Just grab a little bit like that. And then I warm it up in my hands. Then I start adding it to my hair. Make sure you don't get your bangs if you have any. Then you start using the pomade to help smooth your hair out. Now that my hair is smooth, I'm going to grab this part of my hair above my head. I'll grab my 2 fingers and I'm going to wrap it at the edge of my hair. And I'm going to wrap it at the ends of my hair. Then I take my fingers out and I start wrapping my hair towards my scalp. Then I grab my bobby pin, and first I like to pin it like at the top of my scalp, like that, just so it holds it. Then with your thumb and your pointer, you just put it inside your roll, and then you can make it as big as you want, or you can make it smaller. To make it big, I just go inside like this, and then I just slightly open my finger. To make it smaller, I just like twist my finger in there, if that makes sense. Like this. Then I'm going to grab another bobby pin and place it inside my roll. Try to hide it where you can't see it. Then sometimes I like this part to be a little bit outwards. So I put the end of my comb inside here and I push it out just a little bit. Like that. Sometimes I like my roll to be a little higher, sometimes I like it to be lower, but today I'm happy with the height I have going. So now we want to make the other roll to look as similar as possible to this one. Obviously it's not going to look exactly the same, but you know, similar. So we're going to do the same thing. So now I'm trying to smooth my rolls in. See, I have a little bunch of baby hairs on this side. I don't know why. But okay, so I'm gonna take these clips off. And I think they're about similar. So once you're happy with your rolls, the last thing it needs is some Firm Hold Hairspray by Suavecita. So I'm gonna add some. And then to my bangs. And with the end of my comb, I'm just gonna smooth it all in. Add a little more. So this is the final look. Yeah. I love doing victory rolls, especially in the summer, because it gets my hair out of my face, but I still have this part, and just adding extensions I feel like makes everything better. So yeah, let me